digging down metal detecting here. I want to show you a new detector. This is from OMMO and it has some pretty good features and at a reasonable price also. This is the OMMO MD7011 metal detector in orange. I'm not sure if there is a blue or a green. I know the box indicates it, but I've not found the other two colors of this online. If you're new to detecting and you're not really sure how committed you want to go about detecting, and you just want to find things in your yard, this would be a great detector for the price. It has a 1800 milliamp hour high capacity rechargeable battery that is charged with a supplied universal USB-C charger. And that's really good because everything that I have for my metal detecting videos or out in the field when I'm metal detecting, pretty much everything takes the USB-C charging type. Like my GoPro, my pinpointer, and a few other power banks that I have for my GoPro, and my actual metal detector has a power bank also. So the detector comes with a high sensitivity 8-inch coil, and I looked online on their Amazon sale, and down in the description of the product it says 12-inch, so I'm not really sure if it's 8 or 12. In this 8-inch coil can detect small coins and metal objects at a depth of 8 inches and larger objects at a depth of 12 inches. Now the stem along with the coil are waterproof for underwater detection. However, the control box, you don't want to submerge the control box in the water. It's not waterproof. This detector has 6 detection modes. The first mode is all metal, detects all metals like steel, zinc, aluminum, gold, copper, and silver, and other metals. And it has a discriminatory mode or discrim mode. And that mode you can kind of discriminate out, reject trashy items. The next mode is a notch mode. And in the notch mode, you can eliminate unwanted metal by selecting the target on the screen. It has a memory mode where you can remember the mode you set last time. Then it has a jewelry mode where it detects jewelry and precious metals. And then a pinpoint mode, which all metal detectors have a pinpoint mode, which is that center button at the bottom. Once you've detected an item in the ground, you can go front, back, left, right, and kind of figure out where exactly in the ground, so you're not digging a bunch of holes around in the parks and stuff, which is not really the greatest thing to do. The stem is adjustable with a retractable design. It has buckles on it that is very similar to the Minelab Xterra Pro and the Xterra Elite, which I like that buckle feature. Let me just open the box here. These are headphones. It comes with a set of headphones so you can hear your tones better if you kind of have trouble hearing certain tones. Some people have bad hearing. You can use the headphones to help with that. But this is the instruction booklet, and it does have the USB-C charging cable in there, and then 2 screws, I believe, to hold the wrist cuff or the arm cuff on to the detector. So yeah, here's the stem. and it all assembles, goes together. I'm not going to go over assembling it, but it has these buckles where you can open up and close for extending the tubes internally, which is really good. Some of them have like a screw type where you unthread it, it loosens it up, and then you slide it down and then you tighten it back up. I really like these buckles. I have the Xterra Elite, and I did have the Xterra Pro, which I sold. But yeah, these buckles are pretty good. The coil is underneath down here, and then here's the control head. Again, I'm not going to show putting it together. We'll put it together off camera, and then we'll take it out and go over some detection in a park. So yeah, it's a pretty good sized head, and from here I'll see you outside. One other thing that I wanted to go over before I actually head out is the company's website is www.ommmohome.com. You can check them out there. I believe it's on the box as well. That's their service, but it would just be www.ommmohome.com. This is their service email. Yeah, check them out. And then in the description of the video below, I will provide a link where you can purchase one of these for yourself if you'd like. I believe the link today is showing up at around $99, and then can't remember if it's free shipping or not, but that's pretty reasonable for a detector. But let's take it outside and actually see how we can do with it. All right, we're out here at the park. We got the new to me OMMO Metal detector that we just went over. Yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. So you can see here it's got the different modes, and then up here across the top are the different metal types, and then it even has a kind of guide that has like anything in this bar range is kind of gold range, and then from here on up can be potentially silver range, you know. Bottle tops, screws, nails, coins, coins and pop tops and jewelry. We have more coins, probably dimes, and then quarters, and then I'm guessing silver dollars and other silver items up here farther. Pinpoint button. The thing that I noticed this doesn't have is like a ground balance. But to tell you the truth, on my main detector that I use, I have ground balance set at 0 almost all the time. So there are power lines over there. There's a huge power line, so we'll see if there's any interference. So there's a sensitivity button for like detecting depth. On most detectors, if your machine is chattery or making noise without even detecting anything, it's mostly too sensitive and picking up mineralization or EMI in the air, like from power lines or underground power. So we'll set it to full for now. I am in the all metal mode, AM, all metal, just for now, just to kind of see if something pops up. I did bring some coins with me to test, but I'm gonna detect here for a little bit, and I'll see you on the first dig. All right, we got our first target, only a little ways from my truck. My truck is sitting right there, so it didn't take long to get a target. I did end up turning the sensitivity down a little bit, just 1 bar down from the max, but we got a target right here. It was at 58. All right, let's pinpoint that. Seems like it's right there. You can press and hold the pinpoint button. Yeah, it seems like it's right there. So let's dig the target up here. I'll be right back. All right, I got the hole dug. Got the pinpointer. See if we got it out or not. Yeah, we got it out. It's right here. What did we get? Piece of can. Yep. Piece of can. Pretty common in a park. All right, let's see what else we can find. Next hole. All right, well, I dug another target just see what it was, and it was another piece of can. So I have detected this area quite often. It's one of my favorite parks, so I'm guessing it'll probably be pretty hard to find an actual coin, which I'd like to, but I did bring some coins with me. I brought a $50, 1945. I brought a 1 dime, 19, what year is this? 1902. 1902 1 dime. I brought the large cent that I found last year, which is an 1850, and I brought a Indian head cent, 1889 Indian head. Let's see the Indian head first with the detector. Yeah, it comes up in the coin range, and it shows on the screen a coin. 71. How about the $50? Or comes up in the same range, 71. Let's try the large cent over here. Coin range also 71. One last test. Forgot I brought this with me. It's a piece of a silver bracelet or a necklace, and it is silver. I found this last year in a park, different park than this one. Let's put that down and see if the detector can find that, because that is pretty hard to detect with even a good detector. Yeah, won't find it. Chains are pretty hard for detectors to find because of the gaps in the links and things like that. And it's very small. It's very difficult. All right.